While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station WNG 705 in Honesdale on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Binghamton and serves the Poconos of Northeast Pennsylvania and Sullivan County, New York.
Well, guys, welcome to severe weather season.